Hello everyone, welcome to Don't Gasp, It's Just JASP, your Learning Lab tech tutorial. In this video, we're going to be going over how to do multiple regression in JASP, just the basics of what you do in Psych 2220, as there is a lot more to regression than we cover in this class, but this will cover how to do multiple regression for this specific class. If you'd like to follow along, you can use the CSV provided on our website. There is a previous video explaining how to import that into JASP if you need help. But let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go down to this regression drop-down menu. We're going to click linear regression. Alright, let's say that we are interested in predicting exam scores. So our main interest is predicting exam score. We're going to keep our method on this enter drop down menu. Keep it on enter. And our covariates are going to be the things we're interested in seeing if they predict exam score. To start, we can just use one covariate at first and see what that gives us. So if we wanted to predict exam score from, let's just say, caffeine, this will summarize that for us. So this shows us that overall we have a p-value less than 0.05. That shows us that caffeine does significantly predict your exam score. And if we look over here at our R-squared value, that tells us that about 29.8% of the variance in our exam score can be explained by caffeine consumption. So that was all you need to do for a simple linear regression, so that's only one variable. But we can make a full model by adding in anxiety, irritability, and then why not? We can add in weight as well to make a larger multiple regression model. So for this, we can go ahead and look at the ANOVA table, see this p-value here. It shows us that our model overall is still a significant predictor of our exam score, so we can predict exam score with this model. But if you look at the p-values individually down here, you can see that some variables are not significantly predicting on their own. So you can see that weight is significant and caffeine is significant. Both are less than 0.05, but anxiety and irritability are not. Then something else you can do with this is you can look at your standardized to see which ones are having a greater effect on predicting exam score. You can compare them on the standardized column, not the unstandardized. You have to compare them on standardized. So as you can see here, weight seems to be a stronger predictor than caffeine when we're looking at magnitude. And then you can also use your unstandardized column here to make your regression equation, with your intercept being this 96.837, and then all of your variables being your slopes. So this would be your A, and these would be B's. And that's about all you really need to know for this class on using multiple regression in JASP. Again, always consult your instructor, or you can come visit the Learning Lab if you have additional questions. But we hope you found that helpful. As always, stats are whack, but we've got your back. Have a wonderful day.